Howdy, this is the 421st season of the ukulele. As the floods of God wash away Sin City, they say it was written in the page of the Lord. As I was looking for that great jazz note that destroyed the walls of Jericho, the winds of fear whip away the sickness. The message on the tablets was Valium. As the planets form that golden cross, Lord, I'll see you on the holy crossroads. After all these years, to believe in Jesus. After all these drugs, I thought I was him. After all of my lying and crying and my suffering, I ain't good enough, I ain't clean enough to be him. Judgment Day, Judgment Day, Judgment Day, Judgment Day, Judgment Day, Judgment Day, Judgment Day. On Judgment Day, the tribal wars burning up the homeland, the fuel of evil raining down from the sky, a sea of lava flowing down the mountain. Time will sweep all us sinners by. After all this time, to believe in Jesus. After all those drugs, I thought I was him. After all of my lying and crying and my suffering, I ain't good enough, I ain't clean enough to meet him. Oh no, no, after all this time, to believe in Jesus. After all these drugs, I thought I was him. After all of my lying and crying and my suffering, I ain't good enough, I ain't clean enough to meet him. Lord, Lord, Lord. And please give generously when the collection plate arrives at your pew.